The sound of a middle school and/or high school bell defines freedom for me. Ever since I was little, I was always told by my teachers that the bell did not dismiss us, but we all know it did. There was nothing better than hearing that 3 p.m. bell go off in order to finish the day. The sound of a school bell transports me to the good old days of being a kid. It reminds me of how easy one had it. It also reminds me of the snack breaks, talking with friends, and the 10-minute study cramming before a test. This sound was always the beginning and end to a school day.